I was finna write a song, but how I been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat.
Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back. It's me, your girl, Michelle, here with another wig video tutorial. Get ready with me. So we're gonna get on into it with this 360 lace wig from WowAfrican, and the name is, check this out y'all, Michelle 009. I'm James Bond. So this particular hair, you don't really have to do much to it. You just wet it, add a little bit of mousse. If you don't like mousse or a lot of product, you can get away with just adding a little bit of water for control. But for the most part, this is gonna be a really easy, breezy, simple video. As you can see right now, all I'm doing is I'm cutting the lace. I'm making sure that it is fitting on my head, which it is, and it's fitting nice. This wig is in its natural color, and it comes pre-plucked, and these knots came pre-bleached. So the hairline that you see right now is the hairline that it came straight out the box. So I did not fool with it. I didn't do anything extra. So I'm cutting terribly with my broken scissors. So as you can see, the hair is laying really nice on my head. So I got like a full tablespoon of gel left in this container, and I'm gonna get it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to adhere my wig using the Got2b glue gel. Obviously I'm putting it on my wig cap, which has already been installed using the stocking cap method. And I am going to go ahead and gingerly press the lace into the gel so it could adhere. And this gel really, I mean, I didn't even use a lot because I'm kind of running out. I need to go to the store and get some more. And it looks great and it felt great, and it's not going anywhere. It is on my hand. I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I didn't even have to use that much, and now I am pressing the lace into the glue to make sure it's nicely adhered, and any portions that I missed that are lifting up, I'm just gonna go ahead and spritz it. So while I'm applying my makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put some mousse on my edges, and I'm gonna lay it down with my do-rag so it can work its magic while I beat the space. So I'm using my ABH pencil brow definer in dark brown, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set my brows with some brow gel. See, you was like, God, he must be up to something. No, you tired of running. Let's just stay here together. I'm using Juvia's I Am Magic Concealer in J12 to go ahead and define my eyebrows and clean up all the mess that I make when I actually do them. It just makes them look so much neater. I'm gonna use some Ever Matte Poreless Primer by Becca, and I'm gonna go ahead and target my T-zone because it gets really oily there. Let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacation. So I'm using my Gemini palette by Milk Cosmetics, and I'm gonna go ahead in with that dark brown color, and I'm going to place it all over my. So I was shopping at TJ Maxx and I saw this shirt and I was like, this is a fall look. And the Gemini palette is my favorite fall palette. It is perfect. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time. I don't know. So now I'm gonna be a little fancy, and I decided that I was gonna use this cut crease by Makeup Revolution because I really wanted to showcase and highlight the really pretty olivey, sparkly green color that's in this Gemini palette. See, I thought I was doing something real special over here. Hey, I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much. So I'm packing it on my eyelid, and then on the outer corners I am using the darkest olive shade in the palette. Whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine. You just need your vacation. On on the middle of my eyes, I am using a kind of orangey yellowish ochre color, and I'm using Tammy Tenuka's loose powder pigment all over my eyelid in Rejuvenation.
Yeah. We paint the picture while they be tracing, yeah.
I went in with a orangey brownish color on the socket of my eyes and a lighter color underneath my eyebrows. And then I'm using my ColourPop liner on my eyes.
Number one is the place we in. It's a mill at the finish line. All my people gon' race to win. Lord have mercy on Polo, please. He got a case to win.
I'm applying my lashes. These are WSP lashes by Christina.
So let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah. Whatever you like. Oh my. You done stressing the night.
I'm gonna go ahead and apply my All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in Macau by NARS, and I'm making sure that I am covering all of my imperfections before I go ahead in with my highlighter. And I'm using this time Kevin Alcone, the Etherealist Supernatural Concealer in medium, EC05.
We just fine. Tell her what she needs, just need you a vacation. You just need you a vacation. You just need you. Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See,
I'm contouring with Makeup Revolution's Conceal and Define in C18, and then what happened was, I don't know what happened, but I don't know if I was filming, I didn't realize it stopped recording. I went ahead and did my lips, but it did not record. So I used Sephora lipstick in 26, the Pretty Auburn. Then I used Bite Beauty's Amuse Bouche lipstick and meringue and some Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb over it. So now that my face is done, I'm gonna go ahead and spritz some water on this hair and add a little bit of more mousse. I'm using my Denman brush, my fake Denman brush that I got from the beauty supply store. I'm using my Denman brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and smooth out these curls so they're not so crazy. And that is it. Literally, all I used was water and mousse, and the style is done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll list all the ingredients. I'll list everything that I used in the description box below. If you guys have any questions, by all means, ask me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding to kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me. That you wish you had.